Hi my friends, welcome to my channel, The Cooking That You Can Make. The channel where you can find the easiest and delicious recipes, proven that they work, to cook, delight and share. Break the spaghetti in half or use half-length size. Verify that it's cooked. Stir as necessary to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot and burning. Check if the spaghetti have not stuck together and separate them manually. First we put half of the spaghetti and pour half of the sauce, mix well. Then we add the other half of the spaghetti and the remaining sauce and mix well. This delicious green spaghetti can be enjoyed combining with my other recipes. Thanks for watching.